Welcome back to Fuelent. We are going to do an install. Cut. Welcome back to Fuelent. We're going to do an unboxing and an install. Cut. Welcome back to Fuelent. We're going to do an install unboxing video sponsored by Proclip USA. And I'll show you what we have here first. Is this one is a center mount for the Honda Accord. So that will go in the Honda. And then we also have, this is a Magic Mount Pro Charge Proclip adapter and swivel kit. So we'll get those going. And then we also have a Proclip center mount for the Mustang, which could be for a Mustang, EcoBoost, GT, Shelby. They all have the same dash. So this goes onto the dash. And then we also have another Magic Mount Pro Charge with Proclip adapter that will go into the Mustang. They were also nice enough to send us some stickers and a shirt. And that's it. So I guess we could go ahead and start with we're going to start with the Honda. So on the Honda, basically, this is what's going to go onto your dash. There's an adhesive right here and then a little clip right here. So they also give you in the clip a little body wedge, so you can kind of open it up a little bit, and then this will go into the Honda dash. Okay, so this is going to be step one. So they supplied a little gap opener, and then this is the car mount, and then on the back on the car mount you have a sticky adhesive. So then they supply this cleaning wipe, which you can just use, you know, if you have some alcohol at home, you can go ahead and use that. So basically this mount is going to go right under this screen right here. So what we're going to do is just kind of wipe it like this, which is pretty clean because this car mount actually goes right under the screen, and then once it's on, you can still have control over your air conditioning vents. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and do step one. We're going to go ahead and put the gap opener in so we can open the bottom gap. We're going to go ahead and take the adhesive off, the tape over the adhesive. So we'll pull that out. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it over just a little bit so it's more centered for the phone. Slip that under. It's already attached there. Step one is attached. So now this is step one. Now the step two, we'll show you what step two is. Step two is to attach the phone mount. So this is where the Magic Pro is going to mount to. So they supplied you with some screws, and there's a couple of locations. You can locate it here or here. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to put it up so high because the phone will probably block the screen. I'll put it down here. Also, you can swivel. This piece swivels, so you can adjust it that way. So let's just go ahead and mount the screws, or put the screws in. Okay, now that's mounted. Now we're going to get the Magic Mount, and we're going to install the Magic Mount. That clips in like that, they supplied the cord for the power. So this will go into your power outlet. Plug it in there. And we'll come back with step 3, which will be a lot easier than this was. But this is pretty easy install. It's really quick. It's taken us a lot longer because we're trying to show you all the steps. But this is more of a universal mount. Instead of using what the Proclip does have, they have additional phone mounts for your specific phones. If you have multiple phones, or you don't always stick to one phone, you can just use this Magic Mount, which comes with supplied magnets that you can attach to your phones, and it will stick to the this Magic Mount. And then also this will charge your phone. Most phones have wireless charging on the back. So that's it for step 2. Last step is you apply the magnets that are supplied, and they, like I said, they're for multiple phones. So if you have a Samsung, for this kit it's a Samsung 9 I guess, and up. This phone is actually a Samsung 8, so I just spaced the magnets accordingly, and you just attach the phone. It's pretty strong. So attach the magnets to the back of the phone. You're ready to go. Push power, and there should be a light right here that shows the phone is charging. There we go. Got a charge, and it's a fast charge. So there you go. I think this is a great option. This is probably one of the best mods you could probably do for your car, because everybody has a phone, and you don't know where to put your phone. They're always sliding and dropping. This works good. I mean, I think whether you're a car enthusiast or just someone that, just a regular Joe that, needs something for your phone, this would be a perfect option. So far I like Proclip USA, and I like what they got going here with the products. And if you have a vehicle that is not commonly used, I know they just recently made car mounts for Lamborghinis, and they have them for Corvettes, they have them for Camaros, Mustangs. So anyway, hope you guys like this video. Please like, share, and please subscribe. Fuelent will really appreciate it. We want to get this channel going, get some more subscribers, and we appreciate the feedback, comments, and that's it. We'll close out this video.